Hi everyone and welcome to Coffee with Nadia. Today we are doing these cute, easy Easter DIYs from the Dollar Tree. We're making the egg and confetti vase, the carrot bucket, and Easter floral vase. Here are the Dollar Tree items you are going to need for the egg and confetti vase. I bought 2 different colors of the paper confetti. You need 2 tall vases, 1 short, and you need 2 sets of the Easter eggs. For the embellishment part of this project, Dollar Tree has so many beautiful ribbons that you can choose from, or you can use leftover ribbon from your previous projects. I'm going to start by cleaning the bottoms of the vases and getting the sticker off. I kind of just use a razor to get it off, and then I'm just using warm water, an old toothbrush, and some dish soap. For the next part of the project, I'm going to glue the bottom of the short vase to the bottom of the tall vase. You can use E6000 if you want a permanent seal and if you have like an hour or 2 for it to nicely set, or you can use a hot glue gun just like I'm doing here for a quick seal. For my main ribbon, I'm actually using this leftover burlap ribbon that I had from a previous project, and I decided to wrap it around my vase twice so I can have a nice solid looking ribbon. Now I'm grabbing my mixed confetti and filling it halfway, and on top I'm just gonna layer the eggs so it looks like at the bottom of the ribbon there's only the confetti, and on top it's only the eggs. Now I'm grabbing my twine ribbon that I got at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to make a quick little simple bow by just wrapping it around my fingers and just tying it in the middle. I'm going to take that twine ribbon and I'm just going to do 1 circle on top of that burlap ribbon just to kind of bring it all together. Now I'm just taking my twine bow and hot gluing it onto the burlap ribbon. For the finishing touch, I grabbed a gemstone sticker sheet from the Dollar Tree and just put one of those gemstones in the middle of the bow. And that is it for this project. What do you guys think? This next project is incredibly cute and incredibly easy to do. All you're gonna need are those Dollar Tree buckets, the little carrots, some sort of a middle decoration like I'm going to use the pearls, and a ribbon. When I tried using this ribbon, I thought it was going to be just too light, so I ended up using this Dollar Tree beautiful green ribbon that I just got, and we're gonna go with that one. I quickly made a simple bow approximating how big I wanted my piece of ribbon to be. Then I cut 6 strands of that ribbon. I'm going to proceed to seal the ends with a little tea light, and I do this super quickly just by going back and forth on the side of the fire. Because I wanted to bring the bow together with something unnoticeable, I decided to use white thread. I'm using a tape measure here just to make sure the tails of my bow are the same size. Using my white thread, I'm making a few loops around the middle of the bow and then just making a few knots. Now it's time to hot glue the bow to the middle of the bucket, and on top I'm just using this pearl sticker, but I am going to hot glue it just to make sure it's nice and secure in place. For the finale, we're just grabbing a pack of those carrots, and 4 carrots fit into the cute little bucket. How adorable is this project? For our final project, we are going to need some greenery, 2 of those craft bottles, some Dollar Tree sand, and some sort of an elegant ribbon. I'm using ribbon that's left over from Christmas, but its iridescence and the softness of the greenery, I think it'll work beautiful together. Before you start gluing the ribbon, it's important to understand that these bottles are sealed on the sides. So you just need to make sure to find the sides of the bottle and start hot gluing your ribbon between them in the middle. Once I filled the bottle with sand, I put the lid on it and then measured how long I needed my stems to be. I used one of the floral stems just like it is and just cut the bottom, and the other one I cut where the ends are before it's put together in the bouquet, because I wanted to be able just to spread it on the outside of the main bouquet. And here's the end result. What do you guys think? I think it turned out really lovely and just an elegant little bouquet. And here are the final projects. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys soon. Have a great day. Bye!